Hello everyone, welcome to Maluka IS. So today I am here to announce my new batch for anthropology optional. As you know, anthropology is a very concise optional and it is very much famous as well regarding the syllabus, the approach and the kind of the ease overlapping with the syllabus. So our anthropology optional new batch for the batch 2024 and batch 2025, so those people who are aspiring to give their prelims in 2024 and in 2025 they can join this batch. Let me introduce with some of the features of the batch. So I am going to cover your syllabus, the complete comprehensive, in a very comprehensive way, within the 3.5 months. The anthropology is having a overlapping with the GS as well, like the GS paper 1 Indian society, the GS paper 3 science, the GS paper 2 social justice, and some of the kind of help regarding the essay paper as well. Why? Because we are going to talk about the Indian villages, the Indian anthropology. So these are some of the things जो कि हमें help करेगी to get a comprehensive view about the things. Another thing is that in my course I used to ensure every unit उसका आंसर आप क्लास में ही बैठ कर लिखो. I used to give the question over the board and then I used to provide the time period. You have to write the answer in front of me in a stipulated time period. हर यूनिट कंप्लीट होने के बाद डेली आंसर राइटिंग जो है वो मैं करवाती हूँ. एंड I have a personal attention on every student, so I used to keep the batch limit जो है in that particular form that कि मेरा personal attention होता है over the performance of every single student. I used to teach with interesting pictures. There are so many demos available on the YouTube where I am teaching the anthropology with so many interesting pictures that कि आपका pictorial एक memory बनता है and वो help करता है आपको चीज़ों को याद रखने में, एक relation maintain करने में. I used to give you the PYQs for the practice and in every model answer जो है आपको ensure करती हूँ so that why because we had seen कि इन दी ऑप्शनल PYQs जो है उनका एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल होता है. सो आई यूज टू मेक इंश्योर कि आपके कंप्लीटली PYQs कॉम्प्रिहेंसिवली फॉर्म में आई यूज टू प्रोवाइड द रेडीमेड इंट्रोडक्शन, द कंक्लूजन. वट यू जस्ट नीड टू डू इज यू जस्ट नीड टू इनरोल माई कोर्स एंड देन गेट रिलैक्स एंड जस्ट यूज योर मेमोरी. जो मैं समझाऊं यू जस्ट नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड यू नीड टू मेमोराइज. आफ्टर दैट ऑल द वैल्यू एडिशन, ऑल द थिंग्स, answer writing, everything is taken care by me. Next is unit wise sectional test. हर एक unit complete होने के बाद I used to take the sectional test and some revision session as well. So on the basis of that I can assure you that कि if you will enroll my course I will give you a overall pictorial view about the complete syllabus, the complete, and I used to teach in a very exam oriented approach. सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू रैंडमली यूनिट उठा लिया है देन इधर से पढ़ा दिया उधर से पढ़ा दिया, नहीं. प्रॉपर इंट्रोडक्शन, प्रॉपर कंक्लूजन इन अ वेरी कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव और एक प्रॉपर एग्जाम सेंट्रिक अप्रोच के साथ जो है आई यूज टू टीच. सो माई न्यू बैच दैट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम द 31st जुलाई. 31st जुलाई से ये बैच आ रहा है. लेट मी टेल यू द टाइमिंग. सो फॉर द 31st जुलाई Monday, you can join the demo offline or online as you wish. Online आना चाहते हो या offline आना चाहते हो, you can join the demo at 8 AM. 8 AM जो है you can join the demo, and if you want to join this demo you can call at the number which is even given in the description or I had written here as well. So you can WhatsApp or you can call at this number and you can join the demo at 8 AM on the 31st July Monday. Thank you so much. There are so many demo classes also available on the YouTube platform. That is the official channel of the Maluka IS. So thank you so much.